For a moment, I want you to imagine that you're at an estate sale or a garage sale, or a friend or a family member has given you some coins and is asking you how much they're worth. In this video, I'm gonna go over a coin that sold for a ton of money, and it's the smallest little detail that you need to keep your eyes peeled for to see if you have one of these coins. So I'm gonna throw up some pictures of some 1975 US proof set coins. Now these are very cheap, guys. You can pick these up on eBay all day, anywhere between $8 to $15 for the entire set. Now what's really important to know about this set of coins is that the US Mint made a mistake on the Roosevelt dime that caused collectors to go crazy over these coins, especially if they are in a high graded condition, meaning they don't have any scratches or nicks or anything on them. So if you come across a set of coins like this, definitely look for this. So let's zoom in here. You're going to see on these coins a small little S mint mark on each and every single one of these coins. Now it's really important to know that the S mint mark stands for the San Francisco Mint where these coins were produced. San Francisco typically will produce proof coins just like this. It's important to know that proof coins have a mirror background or field of the coin. The reason why knowing this is so important is because there could be some people out there that swap out this coin to make it appear like it's really rare. So long story short, what you need to look for is all of these coins should have an S mint mark. They should be proof coins, except the one Roosevelt dime should be missing an S mint mark. But guys, it must be a proof coin because remember, there is still a 1975 Philadelphia minted coin with no mint mark that looks very similar to this coin. If someone is trying to sell you this set of coins and you see that the Roosevelt dime does not have an S mint mark, but it does not look proof, it's probably swapped out. There are scammers out there. Be very careful. I have not particularly seen that before, but it definitely is possible. Now let's just say you come across this Roosevelt dime, it's a proof and it's missing an S mint mark. What do you do? Where do you go? How do you sell it? So this is my recommendation, guys. Please do not go to a pawn shop because the majority of the time they do not have your best interest in mind. Don't just go to the first person that offers you a good amount of money. You want to get the opinion of at least 3 different people. This way you know you're getting the exact amount of money that you deserve for the coin. At the same time, please, if you guys go to 3 different coin shops and they all tell you the same thing, that your coin is not rare, they're probably telling you the truth. The majority of coin shops out there are good people. They care about you. They care about the coin collecting community. They're not going to rip you off. But on the flip side of that, you have to understand that they're also a business with operating expenses, overhead, employees to pay, etc. So they do need to make a profit themselves. I think a fair profit is anywhere between 10 to 20% for coin shops like that. To wrap this all up, look for the 1975 S coin that's missing the S mint mark. Remember, it's a proof coin, guys. Also, YouTube has a very complex algorithm that knows exactly which video you should watch next. That video, they say, is on the screen, so go ahead and click that video. If you miss it, don't worry, click on my channel, and I'll see you guys inside.